Hello everyone, welcome to Saas Beast Pro. In today's video, we will walk you through how to disable ad blocker in Firefox, so you can easily manage your browser extensions when needed. Step 1. Open the Firefox browser on your computer because all ad blocker settings are managed directly inside the Firefox application, and this is where you will make the necessary changes. Step 2. Click the menu button located at the top right corner of the browser, shown as 3 horizontal lines, which opens Firefox's main control panel where important settings and tools are stored. Step 3. Select add-ons and themes from the menu, as this section allows you to control extensions, appearance options, and additional features installed in Firefox. Step 4. Go to the Extensions tab, where Firefox displays a complete list of all active and inactive browser extensions, including any ad blockers you have installed. Step 5. Find your ad blocker from the list, such as ublock Origin, adblock, or adblock Plus, so you can specifically manage the extension responsible for blocking ads. Step 6. Toggle the switch to the off position, which immediately disables the ad blocker across all websites and allows ads to load normally when you refresh or visit pages. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Saas Beast Pro for more helpful guides and tutorials.